a very, very happy Diwali, and thank you for having me on your show. Now, let us understand this very clearly that Marathawada is it's a great heritage site, and it has got great value of cultural and historic importance in for Punekars and for Maharashtra. Now, as far as namaz is concerned, yeah, it was not a mosque. Certainly, you can only say namaz in a mosque, but this Shaniwarwada is not a mosque. Maharashtra believes in inclusive growth, believes in prosperity, development for all, irrespective of
Tuchiban, do
whatever
not
religion,
do.
caste,
This
creed.
is not.
As far as Maharashtra is concerned, the Mahayuti government is concerned, and Shiv Sena is concerned, we believe in inclusive growth, prosperity, and development for all, irrespective of any religion,
Why don't you speak to
caste,
Ajit
or creed.
Pawar?
As Maharashtra is concerned, rule of law has to be followed. As there is investigation power lies with the police. There is a collector. He has the status of a district magistrate. He would investigate. He found so. He filed an FIR. Why Miss Kulkarni did what she did? I think it was a little. There was no reason for her to behave in the manner that she did. There is no need to take rule of law in your own hand. There is administration. There is investigative powers vested with all authorities, and I think the law will prevail in Maharashtra. The rule of law will prevail in the state of Maharashtra. Now, to answer Mr. Tiwari's claims, we are the fourth largest, fastest growing economy. Maharashtra is the most progressive state with the maximum economic investment. It's the fintech capital of India. So let's not tell him about growth, prosperity, and progress of Maharashtra. Maharashtra, the rule of law is always followed. We cannot sit on this media channel and decide what steps will be taken, if at all, against Ms. Kulkarni. There are enough investigative powers. There is police, there is collector, would do what is necessary, and the steps will be taken. So let us not make a mole out of mountain. Yes, something was done. A namaz was performed. It was Shaniwarwada is not a
But
mosque.
who started it, Suzy Venja? Who made a...
There are fixed timing of praying or doing namaz, right? Everyone is aware. So the lady in question could have planned accordingly in a public place. In the entire Maharashtra, no namaz, no arti is allowed. It is a proclaimed fact. You have to abide by it. If you don't abide by it, you have to pay a price for it. As far as Ms. Kulkarni is concerned, if the religious sentiments are hurt, proper steps would be taken, investigation will be done, not over a media channel, not over a debate, but rule of law will prevail. We are not a banana republic. Mr. Tiwari, we have had enough of his sermons. He's running out of arguments. He himself said that Uddhav Thackeray is paid a penalty. He's absolutely non-existent in Maharashtra, and particularly in Mumbai. And you will see,
This is too much.
once again, under the leadership of Eknath Raoji Shinde, each and every corporation,
Sure, but...
each and every Jilla Parishad,
Sure, and we'll hold the state governments to the law taking its course. But I think...
how the BJP functions, how RSS function, it is not for you to comment. This is not fair. You must talk about... No, I don't appreciate this. You must talk about your political party, your ideology. What BJP does, what Mahayuti does, it's not up to you. You are not the spokesperson of BJP.
And what may or may not happen in the future is not